obvious that today we live on the same planet, but it seems that all is not good. The evidence is everywhere. In our nature, instead of life-sustaining rain from the sky, we receive acid rain. Millions in developing nations suffer because of water shortage or water contaminated by toxic chemicals made by man. The soil that nourishes us, the air that we breathe, and the fuel for our industries, cars, homes are also diminishing in quantity and quality. The forests that sustain our basic needs, such as the clothes we wear, the foods we eat, and most of all, the things we use in our daily life. We talk about the continuous destruction of natural world that God entrusted us. Our selfishness and destructive actions have after effects that are far more dangerous we can imagine. Here are some basic here are some basic ways on how to help Mother Nature. Throw your garbage properly. Separate biodegradable from non-biodegradable. Avoid dumping garbage in rivers or any source of water. And remember, conserve water because every drop counts and also conserve energy. And plant trees in order for us to have a better and wonderful forest.